Welcome to Lingua Boost, the slow English podcast. Now, let us begin gently. First, sit in a comfortable place. Take a slow and deep breath. Feel your body start relaxing. This is a listening practice session. However, you do not need effort. Just listen with calm attention. In addition, you may repeat softly. Repeating helps your brain learn. So, take your time and relax. The sounds are slow and clear. Words are simple and peaceful. However, focus stays on practice. In addition, regular practice builds confidence. So, listen carefully and enjoy. Let us continue the calm story. A calm morning practice. It is a calm morning. It is a calm morning. The sky looks soft and bright. The sky looks soft and bright. The air feels fresh and clean. The air feels fresh and clean. Birds sing very softly in the trees. Birds sing very softly in the trees. The world feels slow today. The world feels slow today. However, there is no hurry. However, there is no hurry. The man opens the window slowly. The man opens the window slowly. He takes a deep breath and smiles. He takes a deep breath and smiles. In addition, he listens to the quiet sounds. In addition, he listens to the quiet sounds. So, he feels peaceful and relaxed. So, he feels peaceful and relaxed. Now, take a slow breath with him. Now, take a slow breath with him. Everything feels calm and gentle. Everything feels calm and gentle. Walking slowly. The man steps outside slowly. The man steps outside slowly. The path is quiet and peaceful. The path is quiet and peaceful. Leaves move gently in the wind. Leaves move gently in the wind. Birds fly softly above the trees. Birds fly softly above the trees. However, he does not hurry. However, he does not hurry. He feels the sun on his face. He feels the sun on his face. In addition, he hears soft, distant sounds. In addition, he hears soft, distant sounds. Each step is calm and gentle. Each step is calm and gentle. So, he walks slowly and peacefully. So, he walks slowly and peacefully. He notices flowers along the path. He notices flowers along the path. The world feels quiet and safe. The world feels quiet and safe. Now, take a slow breath with him. Now, take a slow breath with him. Sitting and thinking. The man sits on a wooden bench. The man sits on a wooden bench. The sun feels warm on his face. The sun feels warm on his face. He closes his eyes and breathes slowly. He closes his eyes and breathes slowly. However, he does not think about stress. However, he does not think about stress. In addition, he notices soft sounds around him. In addition, he notices soft sounds around him. The wind moves gently through the leaves. The wind moves gently through the leaves. He thinks about small, simple things. He thinks about small, simple things. So his mind feels calm and light. So his mind feels calm and light. He smiles softly at this peaceful moment. He smiles softly at this peaceful moment. Now, take a slow breath with him. Now, take a slow breath with him. Everything is quiet, calm, and gentle. Everything is quiet, calm, and gentle. Gentle moments. The man continues walking slowly along the path. The man continues walking slowly along the path. He noted the small flowers near the ground. He notices small flowers near the ground. Birds sing softly in the nearby trees. Birds sing softly in the nearby trees. However, he does not hurry anywhere. He does not hurry anywhere. In addition, the wind brushes his face gently. His face gently. He sees a small butterfly flying by. So he stops for a little moment. He breathes slowly and enjoys the quiet. The path is calm and peaceful around him. Now take a slow, deep breath with him. Everything feels calm, gentle, and soft. Preparing to return. Closing practice. The man begins walking back slowly. He feels peaceful and light inside. However, he notices the soft sounds again. In addition, the sunlight warms his face. He watches the leaves moving gently. So, he takes a deep, slow breath. His steps are calm and careful. The path feels familiar and safe. Now, take a slow, gentle breath with him. Everything feels calm, soft, and peaceful. He smiles quietly and walks slowly forward. In addition, remember to practice every day. So, keep listening and stay relaxed. Thank you for joining this calm practice. We hope you enjoyed listening today. If you liked this video, please like. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Share this video with your friends. Write your thoughts in the comments. In addition, practice daily for better English. Stay calm and keep learning every day. See you in the next video.